Well, it's been a week of State of the Province addresses, and this morning, Mpumalanga Premier Refilwe Mtsweni-Tsipane will deliver the State of the Province address at the Provincial Legislature. Let's cross now to our reporter Tumelo Machogo for more on this. Tumelo, we've seen most of the State of the Province addresses delivered, and many of the very important issues, bread and butter issues regarding service delivery. What can we expect in Mpumalanga today?
Well, indeed, Sakina, the red carpet has been rolled, and also different cultural group and also been taking place here, been dancing since this morning, actually in anticipation of the Premier Refilwe Mtsweni-Tsipane's address. The community here in Mpumalanga would want to hear a lot of issues about service delivery issues that needs to be addressed. You remember that early this week, the Human Rights Commission released a damning report saying that 17 municipalities and 3 district municipalities in the province are dysfunctional, and also they are violating the rights of the communities, including water, citing that the water, a lot of these municipalities can't provide water to communities, and also even if they provide water to communities, sometimes the water is contaminated. We talk about issues of in Lekwa municipality where the water has been contaminated. We talk about areas such as Tumelo where the water has been contaminated, and also even in Mtsweni-Tsipane municipality where the water has been contaminated. Also issues of roads. Roads in Mpumalanga are riddled with potholes, and communities want to know when these roads are going to start to be fixed. Issues of electricity, most of these municipalities, they owe Eskom millions and millions and millions of rent, some of them even going into the billions. So they want to hear what is going to be happening, because now not only is Eskom implementing load shedding, but the municipality are forced also to implement load reduction in their communities, and that is affecting communities, affecting businesses in those communities where the issues have been raised. But also of importance, Sakina, is the issues of housing. A lot of people have been on a waiting list for RDP houses in the province. The province has a huge backlog of housing in the province. Sanitation is also one of the issues that the community have been complaining about. We talk about where the community don't have sanitation facilities where they live, but also even when they have sanitation, then there are raw sewage that is spilling into rivers, that is spilling into communities, spilling into households. So those are the issues that the community would want to hear. The residents of Mpumalanga would want to hear from the Premier about what they're going to be doing about that. Unemployment, yes, in the last quarter we've seen that there was an improvement in Mpumalanga in terms of unemployment, but that is still a little, and still more needs to be done to ensure that the youth of this province needs to be hired, and a lot of people in this province need to get jobs. This province has about 5.1 million people in the province, and most of the people are not working. So that is also an issue that the communities, also the residents of Mpumalanga, would want to hear about. But they want to hear about basic services. When are they going to get water? When are the roads going to be fixed? Housing, issues of that. So those are the issues that mostly people are going to hear about, and also issues of infrastructure challenges that we have, hospitals that are not functioning well. When are they going to be fixing all those issues? But now, back to you, Sakina.
Well, thank you so much, Tumelo Machogo, just setting the scene there, and the Premier expected to address all, if not most, of those challenges, and they are daunting.